With the dangerous cold, we want to get right back to meteorologist Ryan Argenti in the Alert Day forecast. Ryan, it's freezing out there.
It's very cold out there. It's dangerously cold. That's what I would say. As you saw in the subheading there, the weather headlines. We're looking at these wind chills remaining sub-zero through the rest of this evening. It's going to be remaining gusty, 40 to potentially 45 miles per hour, folks, as we get into this evening, also into tonight. Now, winds will begin to slowly subside, but the winds will still be elevated heading into our Sunday. We've still left it as an impact day for our Sunday for those sub-zero wind chills into the afternoon, still remaining blustery for the second half of the weekend, but calmer for the beginning of the work week, but still cold for Monday. Temperatures only getting ready into the 20s, but we'll see highs still well below average for our Monday. But you can see in terms of our extreme cold warning, still in effect until 10 a.m. Sunday for the entire Susquehanna Valley, as you can see in that dark blue there, and also a wind advisory that's in effect until 10 o'clock this evening. So we're still seeing very gusty winds, still very blustery as we go through the rest of this evening, with chills getting down to potentially negative 20 degrees, folks. It's going to be getting cold for the rest of this evening, or it's already cold. It's not going to be, but it's going to feel even colder overnight tonight is what I should say. 8 to 12 degrees for our temperature range. Then you can see still frigid and gusty overnight, still getting into the negatives 2 to 6 degrees for overnight lows. But you can see 16 to 20 degrees with those persistent winds out of the northwest. Still could gust to 25 to 30 miles per hour for tomorrow afternoon. Now, in terms of the sky condition, it's mostly sunny, but don't let that fool you. Still going to be feeling very cold outside. Almanac for the day today hit right around 29 degrees, but look where we should be at for this time of the year. 40 degrees is what we expect. We're only at 29 degrees for our highs, and overnight lows, or I should say earlier this morning, it was 9 degrees, 23 for lows. That's what we expect for this time of the year. I had a trace of some snowfall, had some early scattered snow showers early this morning, but those they subsided quite quickly. But you can see in terms of this morning, some of the coldest wind chills down to negative 14 degrees in Elizabethville and Dauphin County, down to negative 13 for Newport and Lebanon City. Chambersburg down to negative 12. Cashtown down to negative 10 were those wind chills. Also, wind gust reports from today exceeding that 50 mile per hour range. Marion right around 55 miles per hour in Franklin County. Manheim 51 miles per hour, along with Shrewsbury and Harrisburg International Airport. Fort Indiantown Gap at about a 50 mile per hour gust, and we're still seeing winds just cranking out of the northwest. Temperatures into the teens right now, and here's those winds out of the northwest. 18 miles per hour in Lewistown, 20 miles per hour in Harrisburg, 26 miles per hour in Carlisle, and these are what the feels like temperatures. This is what you should dress for. Even though air temperatures are into the lower teens, still cold, but it's feeling even colder into the negatives. So you can see feeling like -1 in Harrisburg, -3 in Carlisle, -4 in Chambersburg. But sky conditions, we're seeing mostly clear conditions. That's all thanks to a little bit of some high pressure, but it's still going to be windy and frigid, still going to be leaving that impact period up until through the rest of the day for our Sunday. But you can see high pressure building to our south. That's what helps to promote these mostly sunny conditions. Also high pressure off towards our north. But as we get into later in the day on Monday, we'll see some increase in the cloud cover for the afternoon. You can see that's reflected in our 10-day forecast with still cold conditions, but I will say it's calmer. You can see for our Monday. Now, it's still going to be chilly for our Tuesday, 36 degrees. We are seeing a couple disturbances this week that may bring a chance of some flurries for our Wednesday, still something that we're watching, and also getting into later in the work week, closer to Valentine's Day weekend or Valentine's weekend, seeing a bit of a chance of a mix to some rain, maybe some rain and snow for our Saturday and Sunday of next weekend, something else that we're going to continue to watch as we head into next week. Also, towards the following week for President's Day, temperatures, look at this. The trend is going up, folks, so if you are hoping for that milder trend, it's coming. Just got to wait a little bit longer as we get into President's Day. Back to you.